Hi, I'm Rob Fisher from optics.org, coming to you from the 2025 Laser World of Photonics in Munich. I'm joined by Eike, Head of Sales, and Stefan Götz, CFO of Piezosystems Jena. Specialists in ultra-precision motion control and advanced piezo positioning systems, their latest fast steering mirror technology, including the PSH series, has been turning heads in the precision optics space. And we're here to explore what's behind the industry's strong interest. What's the biggest innovation Piezosystems Jena is presenting at this year's laser?
Yes, so this year we are presenting our new chip tipping stage, the PSH35. So a brand new development where we developed a new chip tipping stage, bigger travel range, way more stiffness, which makes it way more robust to fit those needs and the specs of the industry.
What does the PSH35 fast steering mirror signify for Piezosystems Jena in terms of innovation and strategic direction?
The PSH35 is in that way special that it represents a real true industry partnership that we engaged with Eike, but also had like other industry partners who were really interested in developing a next level space communication control system. So for us, this is a new way to evolve as a company towards more strategically oriented products which can be used by customers in industry, but also in science, and can be built in high volume production with a very high quality.
The PSH35 was nominated for a Laser Innovation Award. What sets this system apart from others in the field, and has the industry response taken you by surprise?
Yes, we are proud that it was nominated, but not really expecting that. We're really thankful for this. We really put a lot of effort and development time in it to really have the best fitting system for the needs of the market. We developed it together in a project with the European Space Agency. So the whole system is space tested. Imagine all the forces we have to withstand during the rocket launch and the last environmental conditions in space. Make everything fine. So we have here something that is also completing our product portfolio.
Piezosystems Jena has brought a very impressive range of products to this year's laser show. Are you seeing more demand for standardized offerings, or is the focus shifting towards custom engineered solutions?
What makes this so unique for us is that besides the PSH35, which is already quite an innovative product, we also have a couple of more innovations, and that starts with the new MyPos 800, which is like a microscope objective positioner, which now can do 800 micrometer of travel with a 12 nanometer resolution, and it combines with our new series of amplifier systems. We have digital amplifier systems now compatible with SPI, which is very common industry standards, which enables these systems to communicate in real time in and output values. So this really opens the way for our technology to get a deeper level of integration with other motion technology. And another product we like to highlight this year is our new series of CUX stacks. We are presenting now for the first time a new range of piezo stacks, which have 20% more travel, 20% more blocking force, are more humidity resistant, and is a real innovation in the world of piezo stacks that are available on the market. And they can now be acquired through Piezosystems Jena, and we're very happy for any new customer who also needs like technical consultation.
Looking ahead, where do you see the most exciting market growth opportunities for Piezosystems Jena, and what sectors are driving that momentum?
I think in our industry, there's two big trends that we're seeing currently. The first trend is that we work with a lot of high-level customers, especially in the world from the semiconductor, where absolute precision is key, repeatability is key, and we're talking about nanometers here. And the trend here is to really take the knowledge and the experience that you gain in these fields and transform them to your standard products. So basically the idea is that in the future, if you buy a microscope objective positioner from us, you will get the same quality than a customer who builds like advanced semiconductor tools. And we're really excited to be part of this journey because it allows us to grow with the market, and it allows us to reach the next level of the development for this company. Another trend that we are seeing is a higher level of integration with other motion technologies. And here we see that the Piezo is in a very unique technology for like nanometer accuracy, but what customer really need is to combine that with their already existing motion technologies that they use in their systems. And in order to get to this point, we continuously develop new electronic platforms, new software platforms, but also think about the next level of interfaces that we want to serve.
Looking into the future, how is the company positioning itself for the next wave of innovation and market demand?
The future for us means that we want to be the leading manufacturer of high-precision piezo motion technology. And that means, on the one hand, what I said earlier, learning from industry partnerships, but also getting the maximum out of this technology, the maximum accuracy, the maximum repeatability, and to reproduce that on a high technical level so that we can serve the most advanced applications in the world. At the same time, integration is a very critical part of it. And that means also that we have to think in the future about how do we work with algorithms? How do we work with predictive control systems? And we're already doing a lot of research on that. And my prediction for the future is that this will be a very critical part, and we want to be part of that journey. And therefore, we're really excited to engage with all kinds of partnerships, if they're from the industry or from the scientific world. For us, the future is really driven by the next level of challenging applications and how to be part of it and contribute a real value.
Thank you very much, guys.